Hi, I'm Dr. Helena Solo-Gabriele. I'm a professor at the University of Miami College of Engineering. Our mission is simple but powerful: to prepare students for meaningful careers that help improve the quality of life while protecting the planet we all share. Our Bachelor of Science in Environmental Engineering gives students the tools to tackle some of today's most urgent challenges, from clean water and air quality to waste management, sustainability, and climate resilience. You'll learn how to solve complex engineering problems using math, science, and technology. You'll also learn how to design systems that take into account not just technical performance, but public health, safety, and the environment. Communication and collaboration and ethics are a big part of our program. Whether you're working on a team, presenting to stakeholders, or making real-world decisions, you'll develop the skills to lead responsibly and think globally. You have made the right choice to consider environmental engineering as a degree, especially here at the University of Miami. The City of Miami's unique geographic location elevates the experience of those who study and work in this field. We're in a highly urban area bounded by the Everglades to the west and Biscayne Bay and Atlantic Ocean to the east, providing for a huge field laboratory. We have a phenomenal medical school and a renowned marine school, and from which we can draw in public health and marine science collaborations. And at the heart, we have the College of Engineering, from which we develop and design engineering solutions to major environmental problems. Students within the program have the opportunity to learn both in and outside the classroom through research in the laboratory, in the field, and in the greater community. Our students are highly sought after upon graduation, usually with multiple job offers from environmental consulting, government agencies, or industry. Others pursue graduate or professional degrees in engineering, law, or public policy. If you're passionate about science, engineering, and making an impact in the world, this is the program for you. I look forward to seeing your application and welcoming you into the program. And don't forget, it's all about the you.